We move on to the EMI Apex Prize. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the pre-final segment of the evening, reserved for the elite group known as the Apex Qualifiers. What makes an Apex Qualifier truly special? These are not just achievers, they are trailblazers, the standard bearers of innovation, precision, and operational brilliance. To be an EMI Apex Qualifier is not about being perfect. It's about belonging to an elite league where excellence is not a goal, but a way of life. These sites and teams have redefined what it means to excel, consistently surpassing benchmarks in quality, efficiency, safety, and sustainability. They embody the cutting edge of manufacturing, seamlessly blending the best of tradition with bold innovation. Let us honor and applaud these pioneers who push boundaries, redefine benchmarks, and inspire us to dream bigger every single day. Today, we will felicitate 10 outstanding companies with the Apex Prize, and this is the record for the Apex Prizes given away in any of the EMI function ceremony since the inception. So they deserve a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We start off with the Apex recognition process, and I would like to invite on stage Mr. Anurag Agarwal, Chief Executive Officer, Global Exports, New Businesses at Polycab India Limited, to join Mr. Murthy. Please get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. Agarwal joins us on stage. Thank you. Fueled by disciplined daily management, sharp, lean flow stability, and a reliability culture built on ownership and craftsmanship, this team has delivered standout gains. SMED breakthroughs, restoring earlier 42 to 31-minute capability, true OLE uplift post-correction, and HDC performance at 89% with visible recovery momentum. Their digital MIS backbone, active Kaizen mindset, and leadership commitment have created a plant that runs with precision, trust, and unstoppable forward energy. Further, they are also conferred with a gold prize in the Safe Factory Initiative, a silver prize in the Green Factory Initiative, and a silver prize in the Smart Manufacturers Initiative. With admiration, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Polycab Unit 3, 28E, Mr. Himanshu Sharma and team. Mr. Himanshu Sharma, may we request you to say a few words, please?
Thank you very much again for bestowing this very prestigious award. I would like to say that this particular award means a lot to me, and basically it is dedicated to my team, who has put in a very hard and very fine effort in terms of getting this assessment done brilliantly and making sure that these practices are sustained. Also, to my bosses, like Anurag is here. Actually, I could get the award from him as well. He is instrumental in driving us through operational excellence. And my chairman, managing director, Mr. Inder Jasinghani, Nikolai, who's again, the instrument in terms of, driving this particular force. So again, thank you very much. I appreciate this award.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations to the team.